Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Vauxhall Grandland X. Now of course this does come with LED daytime running lights. You also get these brilliant painted alloy wheels, which of course are a 17-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors along the bottom. We then have plenty of space inside the tailgate, along with a 60/40 split folding rear bench. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points to the bottom, electric windows all around. Into the front, we have your automatic gearbox in the middle. We then have your traction control off, TPMS reset, lane departure warning off, stop start off, parking sensors off, and then your child locks. You've then got part of your climate settings in the middle just here as well. And then coming up to the top, we have your various audio sources. Over to the steering wheel, we have your cruise control on the left hand side and speed limiter. We've also got your audio and media on the right with your Bluetooth and voice assistant. As you can see, this Vauxhall has done 43,551 miles. But coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Grandland, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.